Hi guys, so today we're going to do this look, which is very bright. You all know I'll either do nudes and then I'll be like, oh my gosh, I need a burst of color, or I'll disappear for a while and I won't do anything, and then I'll come back and have something really colorful. I have one of these colorful earrings, and while my eye makeup doesn't match my earrings exactly, it's okay with me. I don't need to be matchy, but I did put some purple and pink in here, so why not throw in the purple and pink feathers? And plus, this look is kind of bird-like, so yeah. So most of the products that I used were Sugarpill, but I used some other products as well, so you'll see that in the tutorial. Blah, 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 blah. I can't talk. You'll see that in the tutorial. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned. Okay, so for time's sake, I've already applied my primer, which is Urban Decay's Primer Potion, which I depotted. And then I went in with some concealer in NC45 from MAC, the Studio Finish concealer. Ignore the fallout on my other eye because I'm going to clean that up, but I have a really bad habit of doing one eye and not completing it all the way and then doing the other eye, because if there's any fallout, I don't want to take the time and play and really have to do it with my foundation. I'd rather just clean it up with a moist towelette, which I guess I could have did. Whatever. Let's just go ahead and get started. So the first color that I'm going to use is from Sugarpill, and it's called After Party. And it's just banging blue. And so I'm going to take this on, pick this up on my Sonia Kashuk fluffy or medium eyeshadow brush. And place this on my lid. Okay, so now that I have see, that's why I didn't want to put on my foundation. But now that I have the color payoff that I want from After Party, I love that name, After Party. I'm going to take the Sigma E40 tapered blending, but this, yeah, whatever. And I'm going to take Dolly Pop, and pick up that, shake off any excess, and put this in my crease and drag it all the way over. Okay, to darken up the pink, I'm going to take my Sugarpill Burning Heart palette and go into the purple, which is Poison Plum. This dark purple right here. Pick up some color and place this over the pink. I need to turn this music. And you see how it's darkening up the pink. Okay, now I'm going to take the MAC 217 and a color from NARS. And it's called Ultramere, I believe. And I'm going to take the 217, pick up some color, and place this right on the outer corner of my eye and kind of blend up into the purple. see. Okay, so now I'm going to go and clean up, finish my, or do my eyebrows, add my highlight, color under the bottom to my lash line and liner, to my waterline liner and lashes, and I shall return with the completed look. Okay, so here are the completed eyes close up. And here's my entire face. And Asada is on my lap. So let's just jump right into it. For my lips, I used Marquise, I believe that's how you pronounce it. And it's just like a light pinky nude. And I topped that off with, what is this called? I can't see. Emancipation. And this was from the Wonder Woman collection. For my highlight, I used my 28 neutral palette from Coastal Scents, and I used Asada. I used these two colors right here. For my inner tear duct highlight, I used, Lumi, which looks white, but it reflects teal. So I put that in the inner tear duct, and under the eye, I went with NARS's Ultra Mirror, which I used on the lid as well. And my lashes are Ardell Wispies. Oh, and my blush. My blush, I wanted to keep it really light. I have a lot going on the eyes, so I wanted to keep it light, and I went with Mighty Aphrodite from the Wonder Woman collection again. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys like. I hope you try it out, and as always, thank you for watching and subscribing if you have. Peace.